Hi friends, I am Engineer Venkatesh, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering Technology at Kanyakumari District. Now we are going to see a topic in remote sensing. So the topic title is Remote Sensing Platforms. The platform is a vehicle or carrier to mount the camera or sensor to acquire the information about the target under investigation in a remote sensing process. So these platforms are more critical for wide range of applications, including environmental monitoring, resource management, disaster management, and scientific research purpose. Based on the satellite moving process above the Earth's surface, the platforms can be classified as generally classified into ground-based platform, airborne-based platform, spaceborne-based platform. So next, ground-based platform. A widely variety of ground-based platforms are used in remote sensing instruments that are grounded based, often used to measure the quality and quality of light coming from sun or from close range characteristics of the object. So the instruments that are ground based are often used to measure the quality and quantity of light coming from the sun. For example, the study of property of light in a single plant or a small patch of grasses would be make to use of ground-based instruments. The field instruments are also largely used in research purpose. This type of remote sensing instruments is often used as a handheld or mounted on a trip of other similar support. Okay, so some of the more common one for handheld devices, tripods, towers, and cranes. Permanent ground platforms are typically used for monitoring atmospheric phenomena, although they can be used for long-term monitoring and terrestrial futures applications. So next, airborne based platform. Airborne based platforms were a non-grounded based platform for early remote sensing work. Aircraft are generally used to acquire aerial photographs for photo interpretations and photometric process. Airborne based platforms are generally classified into two types: low altitude aerial remote sensing platforms and high altitude aerial remote sensing platforms. Low altitude aerial remote sensing platforms are balloon and drones. High altitude aerial remote sensing platforms are aircraft. So first, balloon. So balloons are used for remote sensing process for observation and the natural conservation studies. The first aerial images were acquired by using a camera, a laptop balloons in the year 1859. Balloon floated at a constant height with above 30 kilometers from the sea level. Next, drone. Drone is a miniature remotely piloted aircraft. Drone includes equipments of photography, infrared detections, radar observations, and TV surveillances. It is used for satellite communication link. So a unique advantages is that it would be accurately located above the area from which the data are recorded and capable to provide both night and day times. Last, aircraft. Aircraft is first known aerial photograph was taken in the 1858 by a French photographer. The 1855 special aircraft with cameras and sensors are designed with less terrestrial applications. The acquiring the informations of aerial photographs and the images are land surfaces and their features. While low altitudes aerial photography results a large scale imagery provide detailed information on the land terrains. The high altitude similar scale images often advantages to cover large steady area with low spatial resolutions. So next is spaceborne spaced platforms. In spaceborne remote sensing platforms, here the sensors are mounted on board a spacecraft or space shuttle or in a satellite that would be revolving around the orbit of the Earth. So spaceborne or satellite platforms are one-time cost affected but relatively lower cost per unit area of coverages. Can acquire imageries of entire Earth without taking any permissions. So Spacebone's imaging ranges from altitude of 250 km to 36,000 kilometers. Platforms in the space are not affected by the Earth atmospheres. The entire Earth or any part of the Earth can be covered with a specific interval. The coverage mainly depends on the orbit of the satellite. According to this orbital motion or movement, There are two types of satellite, so that is geosynchronous earth satellite and sun synchronous earth satellite, that should be seen later.